guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi and today we are going to start with a new program, hoping that you guys already know the previous program which we did, in which we had declared some variables and displayed their data type. For that we had used format specifiers such as %d and %f, which would be used again in today's program. And today we are going to learn something new, that is a scanf function. So let's get started. So in today's program we are going to add, subtract, multiply and divide two numbers. So the variable declaration is done here because there is no previous value, since we are going to ask it from the user. So scanf will take the values which the user will enter. Since these values are going to be integers, so %d, since two numbers, so %d two times. First %d will hold the value of a variable and second %d will hold the value of b variable. Okay, since after every statement, to terminate the statement we use a semicolon. That's it, and we are just going to perform the basic functions. So printf and obviously \n, and addition is, it's going to be integer again, so a plus b, then semicolon. Same thing would be repeated again and again, so control C I do and control V. So we are going to do this for subtraction, multiplication and division. So it would be okay. So now this is for subtraction, multiplication and division. It is going to return us integer value, so %d. Subtraction, so a minus b. Multiplication, so a multiplied by b. In division we want the remainder, so percentage sign will come. If you want the quotient, so this slash sign will come. For an example, if we take numbers such as 5 and 2, if you add these numbers, we should be getting 5 plus 2, that is 7. Let's comment it because it will be something wrong. So 5 minus 2, so 3. 5 into 2, it will be 10. And if the division is there, so 5 divided by 2 it will happen. So since it is going to return us the quotient, so 2 2s are 4. So our answer should be 2. If there is a percentage sign, so 5 mod 2, this sign is called as a mod sign. 5 mod 2, so 2 divided by 5 is 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 1. So this sign will give us 1 and this sign will give us 2, depending upon what the user wants. So return and then 0. Okay. So now when I save this program and run this program, we get no errors and we will get our output. So let's just enter the same numbers such as 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2. There you go. Addition is 7, subtraction is 3, multiplication is 10. And the division is 2 and not 1. If I had used here mod sign, so for that you first need to close this window and then just use a mod sign here. We should get our output as, let's save it, output as 1 in the division part. Okay, so there is 5, there is 2 and the division is 1. Rest all you get the same, as there is no such a difference in any other sign. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like it, and comment down what other things I should be doing. Thanks a lot.